See, first we are going to talking about what is ERP, okay, and types of ERPs, and okay, and what is system landscape, and what are the models in SAP. Which model we are going to learning. And what is the program duration, guys? 90 days, guys. Okay, here we don't do 60 days like that, guys. Why? Because this is in detail training. Okay, from project to overview, case studies, everything we are covering, guys, here. Okay, in detail I will give you guys. Okay, some classes okay will be repeated here. Why? Repeated means recap, guys. Okay, sometimes so okay, today I have explained some topic. Maybe you are not able to understand. Okay, the topic we can go for. Okay, and it will be increased. Okay, 90 days the actual syllabus, guys, and we can go for extra 10 more days. And the end of the course, okay, you need to develop one case study. I will give you one case study end scenario, guys, here. Then you will get the idea, very clear picture idea. And in between only, after completion of okay, 10 to 15 days, 10 to 15 days, here we are going to do semi case study, guys. Semi case study. Okay, the end to end. Okay, here also we are going to do one end to end scenario, guys. Here also we are going to do one end to end scenario development. And I will try to bring it here, all real-time scenarios, guys, here, like how you will get your requirement in a project and how we are going to develop, how to understand that one. Everything I will give you in detail from scratch onwards. From scratch onwards, I will give you guys.
Okay.
Detailed information. Wherever you are not able to understand, okay, you can feel free to ask me. Okay, there is no problem for me. I will explain 1 or 2 times also, guys. Why? Because okay, if you are not able to ask, okay, if you are not able to speak anything, I cannot understand, right? Okay, if I explain some topic like here I'm not able to understand. If you open up only, then only I can help you the subject. Okay, is clear to your own, guys? This is the instruction, guys. I want to say in detail, guys. Do you have any doubt regarding this pattern? And what are the models and which model you are going to learning? Okay, I will give that in detail, guys, today demo. Is clear to your? Do you have any questions or any?
It's clear.
Okay, yeah, fine. Thank you, guys. And okay, fine. What is ERP? Did you hear the word about ERP? What is ERP? Did you hear the word about ERP?
Enterprise resource planning.
ERP means enterprise resource planning. Okay, what is enterprise generally? Okay, enterprise is nothing but a company. If you consider company here, either a company or we can call here organization, anything we can call it here. Now, if you go for organization like a school, it is a own organization. If you go for college, it is a organization. Now, if you go for college, if you go for IT, if you go for any company, like we all together, there are 8 members. I'm able to see this meeting. Okay, assume we are all 8 members started one company. Okay, we all 8 members started it. We are all our partners in one company. Okay, now there is a company here. There is a company here. Now the company need what is the things is required for company? Company need departments, resources. We can call here resources. A company need resources here. Here, what are the resources a company? If you consider a college, what are the departments is required a college? Okay, what are the departments is required for a college? We can go for administration block. We can go for finance block. We can go for CIC department. We can go for EC department. We can go for mechanical department. We can go for automobile department, and we can go for electrical department. Like right. Okay, there is a point we can say here department, guys. The point we can write is a department. Next, planning. Okay, with the planning we cannot do, right? With planning and without planning. See, if you want to, okay, if you want to start a business without a planning, can we start? Can we do the business?
No.
We cannot do, right? Without a planning, we cannot do. If you go blindly, then what happen? Like if you go blindly the business, then what happens? Sometimes it will go success. For few members, it will go success. But for not all people, right? Only few members only, right? Yes or no? The business will go success. Not for all people. But if you go planning, at least you'll go now okay, this is the amount. Now here I'm going to put some company in this place. Then the company will go. The growth will be happen like that. We are planning, right? Yes or no? That is we can call here simple ERP. Okay, ERP means okay, enterprise resource planning. Enterprise resource planning. Okay, and enterprise means company. A company needed departments. Here, what are the departments here? As I told you, for an organization, right? Okay, for organization. Now, all departments are integrated and keeping one system that is called ERP system. That is called ERP system. Here we can say example. Okay, best example here. Okay, if you're coming to here. Okay, now I'm a customer here. Okay, I'm a customer here. Now what happened? This is a customer is Adi. This customer got some fever. Example. Okay, here this is a customer is Adi. Now he got some fever. Then what happened? He needed some medicine. Okay, he will go to medical shop here. Okay, this is called medical shop. Okay, this is called medical shop here. Once he go to medical shop here, then what happened? The customer needed some tablets. This customer Adi needed some tablets. Now what happened? He will go to medical shop and he will ask. In a medical shop, we have here two persons. One is salesperson and one is cashier person. One is salesperson and one is cashier person. And one is salesperson, another one is cashier person. Now this customer will go and ask salesperson, okay, I got a fever, like I needed some tablets. Can you please give the tablets? Like what the tablets generally we will take here. Generally here, I think paracetamol, right? Paracetamol tablet, fever related, I believe, right? Right? And okay, if you're getting some cold and headache, then we can go for Polo 650 tablets. You will ask to this salesperson. Now, what the salesperson will do? What the salesperson will do? Okay, now what are the medicines you are asking? The medicines is available in the store, medical store. Now, the salesperson selling that items to this customer. Okay, those tablets is selling to this customer. Those tablets are available. If the tablets are available. Now, this customer asking, okay, there are 10 strips. 10 strips is asking. Okay, 10 strips paracetamol, 10 strip Dolo 650. This customer is asking the salesperson. Now the 10 strip now available. Now the salesperson is able to sell the 10 strip to this customer. But now this customer asking the 10 strip the salesperson. Okay, in this shop we have only 5 strips only. 5 strips only. Remaining 5 strips we don't have. Assume. Okay, then what happened? The salesperson, what he will say to the customer? Sir, give me a few minutes. Okay, we have some godam is there. I will go to the godam and I will bring your remaining strips. He will say, right? Otherwise, the godam is available too long. Then what happened here? We will send a message to nothing but warehouse. We can say here, warehouse. All information, all we can say all. Storage, we can say here storage purpose. Whereas now this salesperson, okay, the customer is asking 10 strips. 10 strips is not available. Okay, in the shop level, the salesperson will convey the message to customer. Why? Because he don't want to lose the customer. He don't want to lose the revenue to the medical store. The salesperson, what happened? He will call to the warehouse person. Okay, okay. Now the customer asking 10 strip paracetamol, 10 strip Dolo 650 tablets is asking. In our current store, we don't have those 10 strip tablets. We have only 5 only. Okay, can you please check it? Okay, how many strips are available? Okay, if you have 100 strips is there, can you please bring it? Now the salesperson will convey the message to the warehouse person. Warehouse person. Now this warehouse person then what will do? Okay, how many the medical store person asking? Then he will try to send it. This person will try to send it. What happened? Out of here is asking 100. Suppose here we have a 200 only. Out of 200, the stock level 100 is available and 100 is sending to store. The remaining stock, how much stock is available in the warehouse? 100 only, right? Out of 200. Then what happened? The sales is now tomorrow, and we have another store, the medical store. We have another location, another store is there. Then this customer is asking 100. What happened? What happened? 100 also will be going to finish, right? And in warehouse we don't have the strips, right? Zero, right? Then if the warehouse person immediately intimate to production department, boss, we don't have this paracetamol strips, so Dolo 650 tablets we don't have. Please start immediately. Please make a this tablets preparation. They will communicate this warehouse person to production department. Now this production department, what they will do? This production department will come to warehouse to make the tablet. What are the items is required? Those items is available or not? Those items is available or not in the warehouse? Because the sales, the production department person will come and check it in the warehouse department level. Okay, now what happened? That this person will say, okay, we have a powder only 1 kg only to prepare the tablet. We need a minimum, okay, the minimum 20 kgs is required, and we need some plastic covers is required, and he will convey the message to the production person. The production person convey the message to the warehouse person. Now this warehouse person, okay, don't worry, I will go and buy in the market. I will go and buy the market level. Now this warehouse person will go and buy in the another company level. He will go deal with another company. Okay, that company we can go for some X company, we can say here. Okay, now we need okay, this powder is required to prepare this tablet, and we need 100 kgs is required, and he will send you one request, and according to this company will give this company will supply to this warehouse person. Then what happened here? Okay, fine. How much cost? And this warehouse person will ask to this company, and this company will say, okay, this total you are asking 20 kgs. The 20 kgs powder is okay, 5,000 rupees, and the plastic cover is you need a okay 1 kg. That cost is okay 2,000 rupees. Then what happened here? Okay, fine. Now this the warehouse person will collect the information, and he will go to update to where we will go to update to finance department. We have contacted one company. Okay, we have contacted one company here. Okay, the person saying this powder, okay, this much, okay, this 5 kgs, this 10 kgs, 20 kgs, this much cost, and the plastic this much cost, and he is asking some advance amount. We need to pay this advance amount at least 2,000 rupees to this company. This warehouse person will communicate the message to finance department. The finance department will come to picture, and the finance department will involve and communicate to the supplier company. He will talk to the supplier company, finance department, how much initial payment, and after completion of delivery, we need to after remaining payment we will do. They will do some communication. Okay, the X company, finance department, and this department they are going to communicating. Once the X company supplier, the supplier is going to supply the items according to your request. Then the powder is available in the stock warehouse level. Now this person is intimating to production person. Then what happened? He will start immediately production to prepare the tablet. Then what happened here? Once it is done, the tablet they are going to checking for the quality. The tablet will go to for quality. Okay, it is there, the quality is there, maintenance standards are not to prepare the tablet or not. Okay, they are going to checking the quality. Once it is done, then we are going to this warehouse person. Once there is no quality level issue, now this tablets and the warehouse person is going to distribute this medical stores. Now here you can see this is called, okay, here I'm talking about some department, finance department. Here I'm going to talking about some production department. Here I'm going to talk about some department. Here I'm going. So all business models are integrated and keeping in one system, that is called ERP system. This is called business. This is called business. Now this is called ERP. Now what are the types of ERPs are available? What are the types of ERPs are available. Okay, here we have a types of ERPs. One is SAP ERP, one is Microsoft ERP, one is PeopleSoft ERP, one is there are a lot of ERPs are there. We can go for.
Oracle.
Okay, there are a lot of ERPs are available. Okay, lot of ERPs are available in the market. But out of this market, okay, out of this market, SAP ERP is leading in the #1 position in entire world. In entire world, here SAP is leading in #1 position. So what is SAP? What is SAP? SAP meaning here. SAP
Applications and
meaning here.
products.
System. This means system. It means application. It means application. It means
Products.
system application product. You know what? Data processing. What is this one? What is this one? System. What is meaning of system? System nothing but a device. System nothing but a system nothing but a device. So what are the devices nothing but here we can say here mobile. Mobile is a device, laptop is a device, and computer is a device. Okay, computer is a device. Now with the help of this device, I'm going to access applications. Here, what are the applications are there? We can say Facebook applications. We can say WhatsApp application. We can say Instagram application, right? Now I'm processing the data. I'm processing the data. Okay. Now what is the data I'm processing? Is now you don't have a you don't have a Facebook account. Then what you do? You want to create a Facebook account. You need a system. You need a system. Once you have a system, it could be anything, either laptop, either computer, either a mobile. Now I have a laptop here. Now I'm opening. This is my laptop. This is called my device. In this device, I'm opening one application, that is browser application here. This is okay. We can call here Microsoft Edge application. Now in this application, I'm opening one more application, that is Facebook application. Once I open the Facebook application here, then if I don't have account, and when I click on create new account, and you can see it is showing some list of fields. With respect to fields, I'm entering the data. With respect to fields, I'm entering the data. When I click on sign up button, then what is the data you have entered? The data I'm going to processing. Means the data I'm going to storing in backend. Okay, the data I'm going to storing in backend. That is, we can try to say SAP meaning here. SAP means system application product. It is a product. It is a product. And from this product, I'm processing the data using applications. Using applications. That is a meaning called here. Are you clear? Are you clear this? Any questions here? So now guys?
No, Adi. Yeah, it's clear for me.
Yeah. Now in SAP, what are the modules are there? Now coming to picture. Now in SAP, we have a lot of modules. We can divide into two categories the modules here. One is technical module. Technical module, you can say here, under functional module. Functional module, we can say here. The technical, consider for your understanding. Technical, we can understanding for your understanding. We can say engineering people. Now, engineering people know how to construct a building. Okay, like civil engineering, you can consider how to construct a home. The civil engineering person knows very well. But come to once the civil engineer develop a home, how to sell that home? The engineering people knows. The business knowledge he has? No, right? No, right? He doesn't have, right? Why? Because in the complete entire engineering level, okay, they will teach to the person only how to construct, how to develop it, like that. They will teach it. But coming to functional model, functional here, is we can say here MBA. MBA people. You understand what I'm saying, guys? Here, MBA people means business. Okay, now I'm an engineering person. Here I'm a engineering person. I'm taking here one more person here, like Ravi. I believe. Okay, I'll take the Ravi. Ravi is a MBA person. Now Adi know how to construct the home. You know very well, but how to sell this home, Adi doesn't know. Okay, now I have invested Okay, example, I have constructed a home, I have invested 1 crore rupee. Maximum, okay, that one or G+1 house, maximum I can sell to, okay, instead of 1 crore rate or 1 crore 20 lakhs, I can sell it. But if you go to Ravi, the same building, okay, now he can sell to 2 crores. Why? Because you know the technical, you know the functionality, the business, how to sell it to the customer, how to this item, how to sell this item to customer. You know the technique is very well. Okay, this point I'm trying to say, guys. Here, that's the point I'm trying to say here. Clear, guys? Here, this MBA people we can say here, business analyst. This MBA people you can say here, business analyst. Business analyst we can say. This business analyst means what they will do? They will gather the requirement. They will gather the requirement as per the business. Okay, exactly how they will do, we will discuss. Don't worry. Now we can divide into two categories. One is technical and one is functional. Technical level, we can say here SAP, one technical person is there, and SAP basis one person is there, and SAP security one person is there, and SAP PIPO one person is there, SAP BW. Like this, we have a lot of these technical models are available, guys, in SAP. Similarly, we have a functional models also. Functional models also. These people you can call here MBA, or these people you can call here business analyst. Now these people you can say here in SAP models, business models. Those are you can say SAP. Means material management. Next we can go for here SAP SD. SAP SD. Next we can go for here SAP FICO. FICO finance. We can go for here SAP production planning. SAP production planning. And we can go for here SAP, okay, production planning. SAP, we can say quality management. We can say quality management. And we can say here SAP HR, we can say, and SAP, okay, project system, we can say, and we can say SAP, okay, HVC. This is the chemical oil and gas project level we are going to use it. Okay, now this is one module, and we can say there are a lot of business models are available. Lot of business models are available. For this all business models, who is the programmer in SAP? He is the programmer for this all business models. This all business models. Who is the programmer in SAP? He is the programmer for the SAP. He is a programmer. Are you clear? These are the modules are available in SAP. Out of this module, we are going to learning about SAP ABAP. SAP ABAP module. Now, if you want to learn SAP ABAP, you should have minimum business knowledge. Minimum business knowledge. That business knowledge will teach here, guys. Okay, this MM flow, okay, and SD flow and finance flow. If you know this flow, at least you are able to perform in ABAP. Okay, at least you are able to perform. Minimum business knowledge. If you don't know business knowledge, don't worry. I will teach you guys basic information. I will provide here. I will try to provide. Next to this, ABAP is the programmer for entire SAP. Now, if you run any application in SAP, that application is running on the program is ABAP programming only. Now the basis team will set up the system environment, and they will set up the system environment. System maintenance will take care by the basis team, administration team. Basis nothing but we can call here administration team. Administration team. Now we can go for your security. Now I'm joining a project. Now what happened? What are the access is required in a project? That the access will provided by this team. Now, if I want to integrate one application to an application, or one customer to business, business to customer, okay, if you want to do any integration, now this team will come involved and they will do some integration. Now, if you want to do some analytics, if you want to do some analytics in SAP, then we can go for this tool. Okay, this is the technical models are available. Next, we can go for here. Means that is a SAP. Means material management. Material management. This also we can call here. So we can say P2P also we can say here. Q2P also we can try to say. Here SD means we can try to put here OTC order to cash. Order to cash. Next remaining as it is we can say FI is a one module. Now we can see CO is controlling finance, controlling guys. Okay, that is a point of errors. These are the model. Now, so what is this role? I will tell you here. Simple scenario. Now, I am a customer. Now, what happened? Now, Adi. Now, Adi has a business that is travel business. Adi is a travel business. Now, the travel. Now, I'm entering into the business. Now, what happened? For my business, I need an application. Adi travels like Abi bus, red bus, right? Like similarly, Adi travels. I need an application. Now I don't know how to develop that application. Then what happened? I will go to okay some okay, Ravi company. I will go to here. We have some people. I will go one by one. Now I will go to iPhone company. Okay, boss, I need a okay this application. Can you please tell me okay how much you will charge and can you please give the detailed information about this project? Okay, this is my business. I have a travel like this and my business is running like this from Hyderabad to Bangalore, Bangalore to Hyderabad and Bangalore to Hyderabad to Chennai, Hyderabad to Mumbai. Okay, this like this, my business is going to happen. Okay, now my complete business related. Okay, now I want to maintain this data into one software. Okay, then I will give some instruction to okay the iPhone company. Then what happened? Okay, don't worry. Okay, whatever you want it. Now what I'm trying to say. Okay, now I'm asking the iPhone company. Now he will give some okay this much. Okay, he will say. Now I will go to Ravi. Now I will go to Tanvir. I will go to Riyan. I will go to Irshad. Okay, then what happened? Out of this one, my project, this travel business related application project, I will give to only one person only. I will give to only one person only. Okay, now okay, that's why we can see okay, if you are giving the tender, okay, like in a government, if you observe, they're calling the many tenders. Okay, but they'll give the project to all tenders. Okay, now we have a Ravi company involved and Adi company involved and iPhone company involved and Tanvir company involved. But government will give to this all company. No, right? Okay, then they will check it and what is the background, the previous this company background, what are the projects they have completed, and they will give the project to that company only, right? The same thing here also I will do. Okay, once my project, now I have tagged to my project is will go to I will choose the Ravi company. Then what happened here? Now, Ravi company will send one MBA people. Okay, now that MBA people, what will do? What I'm saying about my business, what I'm trying to say about my business, the Ravi company from Ravi company, one person will come. That person we can call a business analyst. He will gather the requirement. Tell me, sir, what is your requirement and how you are expecting. And now we have already applications like Abibus, Redbus, and the same features you want, or you want to something like that. Any new features you are expecting, and he will asking me, and I'm giving in detail. I'm giving the in detail, okay, in detail to the Ravi person. Now he's gathering the requirement from me. That is called okay, business analyst will gather the requirement and he will note it down. And he's preparing on document. The document is called functional document. We can say in a project level. Once you join a company, we can call it that is functional document, FSC, FSD, functional specification document, or FD, functional document. We can call anything else. And once he gather, the business analyst gather the requirement from Adi, and it will take some time. Either it will take 1 day, either it will take 2 days, or it will take 6 months, or it will take 1 year. For gathering only, it will gather the requirement. Once they gather the requirement, and the requirement they will assign to technical team. Okay, now the technical team will try to analyze the requirement. The technical team will try to understand the business requirement, and then they will start the okay the designing part. The technical team will start the designing part. Once they start the designing part, and then they will go to development. Once the design is done and approval, they got the approval, then we go for development. In the developments means actual development. Actual development will start the actual development. Once the development is done, then we can go for testing. The testing is done, and the application is everything is working, functional, everything is fine. Then that application they are going to deploy to me, and once they deploy to me, then the customers is going to using. This is the scenario. This is the exact scenario we are going to do this. Now here we can say now they will gather now from this person he will involve and he will gather the requirement. This person will involve gather the requirement from me, and this person will gather the requirement for finance related. This person procurement related. This person is sales related. This person is production related. This person is quality related. This person is HR. He will gather all the requirement. Each person will prepare a documentation called SD. Now on this model, now who will develop it? Once I gather the requirement, and who will develop that requirement? This person. This person is going to development. This person is going to development. This is we can write it as SAP ABAP is a programmer for entire SAP. Are you clear, guys? Any questions here? Any questions? Any questions, guys? Hello, guys, am I audible?
Yeah, there's nothing from my side. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Now in SAP ABAP, that's why I told you some business knowledge, guys. Okay, exactly how the project level the process is happening. I give the detail, guys. Now in SAP ABAP, what is ABAP? ABAP nothing but Advanced Business Application Programming. Advanced business programming. Advanced business applications. Business application programming. It is a business application programming. This programming is developed. This ABAP is a programming language for SAP. This programming language is developed using other programming language. That is nothing but COBOL. COBOL is a programming language and C programming. Using these two programming languages, SAP company developed one programming language, that is ABAP programming language. That is. Now in ABAP programming language, what are the concepts you are going to learning? That concepts you are going to learning about here, ISFW. That concepts you are going to learning about here, ISF concepts. ISF nothing but report. ISF nothing but report. Okay, sorry. Rise up means okay. I will elaborate rise up means. R means report. R means reporting. Now I means interface. I means interface. E means enhancement. E means enhancement. C means conversion. C means conversion. F means forms. What is this one? Now this concept we are going to developing on each business model. On each business model, using they gather the requirement right, regarding the purchasing, regarding the goods, regarding the complete right. Now on MM model, developer is going to develop the rise up concept. On SD model, we are going to develop the rise up concept. Now he gathered report object, interface object according to the scenario. What I will tell you detail. What is report? What is interface? I will tell you. Don't worry. Now he gathered the requirement from me, right? Now this type of requirement. What type of requirement is expecting? It is a report is expecting, or is expecting interface? Is expecting as the enhancement? Is expecting a conversion, or is expecting as a forms? Okay, he will write it very clearly. Business analyst will write it very clearly. This object is what type of object? Is a report object or interface object? He will write it. Now, once you written according to that one, we are going to develop it. The ABAP is going to develop it. Now, this is we can go rise up. ABAP is going to developing rise up concepts on each business model. On each business model, is going to developing. Okay. On each business model, what are the business models are in SAP? For each business model, we are going to write with all objects we are going to developing. Now report. What is report? Maybe did you hear the word in your childhood? Progress report. Did you hear the word about progress report? Did you hear the word about a progress report? In our childhood, right? Okay, we are going to college, school, and daily we are going to school, and sometimes the school people, the principals going to conduct the exam, and once they conduct the exam and we are writing the exam, right? Once we written the exam, then what happened? Okay, if you perform well in the exam, then the lecturers will correct the papers and they will enter the marks, right? They will enter the marks, right? And then what happened? Once they enter the marks, okay, then what happened? Finally, they will enter the progress report. Means about your information. Okay, fine. The principal will say, you will see your score. Okay, fine. You are a good student. You are a bad student, like that. Then finally what happened? The principal say, go bring your parent chain on this progress report. Then what happened? You'll go to your home and do, daddy, I got a today they conduct the exam. I got a score. Please see, please put your sign. Okay, if you got a good score, then your parent will happy and immediately they'll put the sign. But if you did not get a good score, then what happened? Then we'll do some kaka or parent, right? Okay, we will do this activity, that activity, all the activities we are going to do. Right? Now, finally, what happened? Daddy, okay, yesterday in school they conducted the exam and this is the progress report. This is the score. I got it. Can you please? I need your sign. Yes or no? Then what happened? Okay, if you not get a good score and on based on your performance, your father will take a decision and the principal will take a decision. Okay, your father, I don't want to invest. I don't want to invest money on you. Okay, you are not studying well. Then why should I waste my money? Right? Then your father will take a decision and then they got up and they will change your school, right? Or they will stop your education, come with me, then daily will do farming. Yes or no? That is called reporting. That is called about your information. Once you display to your parent and your parent will take a decision, that is called reporting. Next here, interface. What is interface? Interface is nothing but exchange the data between two systems. Now here example here, best example here, interface nothing but. Now you want to travel, okay, tomorrow Friday and Saturday, Sunday, weekend you got it. You want to travel from Hyderabad to your hometown. Okay, then what you will do? You will open your application, that is travel application, either Abibus or Red Bus or APSRTC or TSRTC, something. You will open an application and you are entering your data like from which place to which place and on which date you want to journey, and what bus you want to select, or sleeper or AC or non-AC sleeper, like that. Once you select and you are going to book your ticket. Once you book the ticket, then you are getting a message not to your phone. Then you are getting a message to your phone, right? That is called interface. That is called interface object. Now you can say I am filling the data in application. Then how did I receive? How did I receive the message? Okay, how did you receive your ticket is confirmed and from this day to this date you are going to journey and you are getting a message now. That is called interface. That is called interface here. Okay, that is concept called interface. Next we can go for here enhancement. Enhancement. Okay, I'm not. Next one is you can go for EC enhancement. It means enhancement. It means enhancement. What is enhancement? What is enhancement? Now I have an application, Facebook application. Now I have a Facebook application. You have a account. Now if you want to log in into Facebook application, this is the application developed by Google. Now if you want to log in, if you have an account, you can enter your email and enter the password. You can log in button, you are able to log in. But now Facebook founder, then what happened? While logging this application, please enter a CAPTCHA field. Now you can see we don't have CAPTCHA. We don't have CAPTCHA in this login page. In this case, we don't have CAPTCHA field. So OTP field, we don't have. But now he got the idea. Okay, he got one thought. Okay, here also we need to add an OTP field. Now with the existing application level, we are going to adding business functionality, that is capture, OTP, anything. Okay, then what happened? This is called enhancement. Adding new business functionality to an existing application is called enhancement. Okay, that is a E means enhancement. F means forms. Forms nothing but a printing output on a paper. Now we are going to restaurant. Then what happened? What are the items we wanted? We'll give the order. Then what happened? The service person will take your orders and he will serve the your items to you. Then what happened? Once we complete, we will take our dinner and we will eat it. Once we eat, then what happened? Finally, we'll ask the bill. Can you please bring the bill? Then is given the receipt, right? How to print it on a paper using SAP computer or using SAP software. Okay, then how to print it? That is called forms. That is called, we can say, forms. Or how to print your Amazon invoice, how to print your Flipkart invoices, or how to print Okay, bus ticket, how to print movie ticket, how to print the current bill. If you see everything, we are printing on a paper. How to print through SAP computer, how to print your resume, how to print your resume on a paper, Then with help of the concept, we are going to printing output on a paper. That is a point. Next, C means conversion, converting the data, migrating the data. Okay, now I have a data. Okay, I have a data in a file. From file to SAP computer, I have a data in a file. The file data I want to place it into SAP computer. I need to conversion. I need to convert the data into SAP. That is a concept here. C means conversion. Okay, these are the concepts we are going to learning in our SAP. Once you are very familiar with this one, then we can go for upon HANA. This is the advanced guys. This is the advanced concept. This is we can call here 4 above guys. This we can call here 4 above. If you understand, okay, if you understand this above, this topic you can easy to understand. You can easy to understand guys. Okay, you can easy to understand this concept. If you don't know this concept, and here you can understand, but little bit we need to spend some time. Okay, more time we need to spend it. That is the point. If you learn this one, here you can easy to manage here. You can easy to manage here. Okay, that is the point. This is the concept. In SAP, the concepts we are going to learn in detail. Okay, these are the main concept, guys. But I'm going to elaborate each one. Okay, here we are going to writing simple programs, simple reports. Here you can say simple report with basic reports. Okay, very basic reports we are going to learn. Then we are going to designing here applications. Okay, after we are going to design the applications. Then we are going to learning about database related. Okay, then we are going to learning database tables, views, okay, search help. Okay, search help. These are all objects we are going to learning. Next, we are going to writing business report. Here is starting business report. Here is starting business report. Okay, now after business report, then what happened here? Okay, you can go for interfaces. Going to learning. Now after business report is coming interfaces, then you can go for conversion. All the topics I'm trying to say in detail concept is here you can go for here, okay, announcement, you can go for these are all the topics we are going to learning this entire journey guys. This dedicated 90 days guys. Okay, dedicated Saturday Sunday we can spend more time. Okay, to 1.5 hour, 2 hours Saturdays. Okay, first for few weeks, okay, Sunday will not take the class, but going forward Saturday Sunday I will take some extra classes also guys. Why? Because I need to spend some more time on Saturday for 2 hours. Okay, then if you have any doubt while doing practice, and if you have anything I need to clarify, I will spend the time. And regularly Monday to Friday, okay, 1 hour guys. Okay, 1 hour only. 1 hour only guys. Okay, the Saturday Sunday I will spend it guys. Okay, this is the 90 days guys. Okay, 90 days. Okay, these are 90 days or syllabus guys. Yeah. Yes guys. Okay, this is your concept guys. Any questions, any query? You can ask. I will clarify.
Yeah, you will be dealing workflow also.
Yes. Workflow. But there is a advanced concept. Yes. We don't mind. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Any other? Any questions?
SAP HANA, how many sessions you will be taking?
That is separate course again. If you want, I'll give overview the SAP ABAP and HANA. Okay, that is 2-3 classes I will take it. No problem. That is a separate course. Will come to picture. Yeah. Any other? Yes or no, guys? Any questions? Any query?
Nothing.
Any questions? You're in silence.
The class will be at the same time all the days, or how?
Yes, same time only, and not all days. Okay, few days. Okay, Saturday Sunday we can connect early, if you don't mind. That is fine, guys.
Okay. So we are
Saturday
going to
we can
continue on
connect
Saturday, Sunday also, right?
Sorry.
So classes including Saturday, Sunday.
Yes, Saturday, Sundays also is there. Sundays first initially I won't take it. Why? Because you'll get it bored, right? Yeah,
At least one
initially I
day
will
we
not.
need, yeah, sometimes
Three,
we can get over
why? Because first 10 days I will make it comfortable. Then we will go for slowly. Okay.
there. Okay, okay.
Up to Saturday I will take it. Saturday I will spend the time 2 hours. Yes, Saturday compulsory.
Mhm.
And we Saturday we can plan morning session like that. We can plan it. Okay.
Okay.
Not evening, but Monday to Friday. Okay. As of now, this month, this up to this month ending, I will take 8 to 9 days. 8 to 9.
Mhm. Mhm.
Any questions or any query? Only this. Okay. This 20 days, guys. Why? Because due to my, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Any questions, please? You can feel. How do you feel, guys? May I know?
It's
How do you
nice.
feel in the detailed
Yeah,
information?
yeah, yeah,
How do you feel demo? May I know?
good. It's good. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, Ravi. Other people, please be speak out, guys. If you're speaking only, the session will go interactive. Here I don't want like not one side training. I want to make it comfortable. That is important, guys. Okay. See, whatever if you know, you can speak up, no problem. If you don't also, no problem. You can say something. Okay. Then only, right? That session will go interactive.
Practice how you will give the server access.
We will give the server access and the up to your training,
Recordings.
up to your ending of your training, we will give the server access.
So after that, after completion of the course, we need to pay extra, or how it is?
That is
Or we have to install the SAP and our systems and we can do the class.
installation you can do. They will be free only, but logging into the server after course completion, that is extra only.
Okay. What about the training recordings? The
Sir, training
recording sessions will be.
recordings we will share. We will share daily.
Okay. Okay.
Daily we will
Okay.
share it. Yeah. Any questions?
Hello. Trial
Yeah.
versions trial versions you are giving enough for the practices during classes also.
Yeah.
Yes, that's what I'm trying to say. We will give the training server. You can do practice in the training server. We will give the training server. You can do practice. Okay. If you have anything else, okay, here I can suggest one thing only. Okay, you can feel free to ask me. Okay, you feel I don't know anything. I want to learn in detail. I want to learn in detail. If you think that way only, you can learn the subject. Yes, that is one advice, guys, I'm giving. Okay, suppose yes, you have some knowledge like that. Okay, no problem. But if you feel my suggestion, my advice, okay, I don't know anything. I want to learn in detail. I need to ask Adi any questions. This is all I can ask or not. Don't feel like that. You can ask anything. You can ask anything. I will help you, guys. That is I can say.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Anything at any point of time, we can discuss, and if you are while going through practice, if you are getting any doubts, and please note it down and bring to our before going to start the session. First, I will clarify your doubts. Then we can go for topic. Then only you are comfortable. Yes or no, guys?
Thank you.
That
Thank
is-
you. Thank
That
you.
is why, because I want to make it comfortable. I want to give the complete information to you. Why? Because once you learn and you need to perform well in a project. That is my intention, guys. Is clear?
Yeah.
Is clear, guys?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Material, those are all like how they will be providing, like soft
I
copy.
will share. Don't worry. Materials, everything I will share it. Don't worry.
Okay. Only
Yeah.
training session you're talking about 90 days or including project, those are all like case
See,
study project.
90 days, okay, 90 days training, okay, and in between we are going to do small, okay, 10 days after from mini case study we are going to developing. After end of the course we are going to developing the case study, that is also, okay, it will take 10 days, guys. 10 days
Okay.
case study point of view, because I need to validate, right? Okay, and that's why I introduced it in the mini case study also in the after 10 to 15 days once you complete it. Okay, I will give assignments also. I will give, okay, suppose I complete, I will explain on topic. Then regarding the topic, I'll give some assignments also, exercises.
Yeah, I think that's good. I think, yeah.
Okay, exercise also I'll give you guys. Why? Because I will check each and every exercise, guys. Okay, you need to
Okay.
complete the exercise. If you are not able to complete, like why you are not able to, maybe you stuck somewhere, you're not able to understand somewhere, right? Okay, then you'll bring that query, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, that is my plan, guys. And some, okay, the days also sometimes will be increased. The days also, okay, but 90 days it will not reduce, guys. Okay, 90 days plus only. Okay, that's why I added Saturday, Sunday, 2 hours, 2 hours. Okay, 90 days.
Great. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Any other guys?
I think we are good.
Okay, yeah, fine. Thank you guys, and we'll meet tomorrow, and we will see what the basic knowledge of MM and SD finance, then types of projects, and what are the systems are available in system landscape, how the systems, how the base system will set up the systems. We will see. Okay, theoretically, and maximum will start it practically Saturday, guys, or tomorrow, we'll see. Tomorrow, okay, I will show you how to log into SAP, how to set up the SAP. We will see those details, guys.
Sure.
Okay, tomorrow Friday, right? We can spend some time, no problem. We can spend 1.5 hour time like that. Okay, guys?
Yes, sorry. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. If you don't have anything.
Thank you.
Thanks, sir. Thank you.